Good afternoon, and welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I'm in the mood for some chicken parmesan. So I went to Walmart, and all they had was this thin sliced chicken. So, I guess that's what we're going to use. Oh, and by the way, I couldn't find any mozzarella cheese, but I found this Colby Jack cheese, so I guess we'll use that as a topping. I did luckily find some Parmesan cheese, and I can use that in my recipe as well. So let's see how the recipe works out. You want to see how it works out? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Oh yeah, it's easy and it's cheesy. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.